Tamil legends, there existed three Sangams, Academy of Tamil Poets in ancient Tamil Nadu, popularly called Mochchangam. These Sangams flourished under the royal patronage of the Pandyas. The first Sangam held at then Madurai. This Sangam was attended by gods and legendary sages, but no literary work of this Sangam was available. Second at Kapadapuram, but all the literary works had perished except Mudathirumaran. Mudathirumaran Sangam से है. It was attended by a large number of poets who produced voluminous literature, but only a few had survived. These remain useful sources to construct the history of the Sangam age. Sangam literature. Narrative, didactic. Narrative, मेल करनकु. Didactic, किल करनकु. Pathineni Kilkanakku contains 18 works mostly dealing with ethics and morals. The most important among them is Tirukkural, authored by Thiruvalluvar. Thiruvalluvar. Other sources. In addition to the Sangam literature, the Greek authors like Megasthenes, Strabo, Pliny, and Ptolemy mention the commercial contacts between the West and South India. The Ashokan inscriptions mention in the Chera, Chola, and Pandya rulers on the south of the Mauryan Empire. The Hathigumpa inscription of Kharavela of Kaling also mentions about Tamil kingdoms. The excavations at the Arikamedu, Pumpuhar, Kodumanal, and other places reveal the overseas commercial activities of the Tamils. Period of the Sangam literature. The chronology of the Sangam literature is still a disputed topic among the scholars. The sheet anchor of Sangam chronology lies in the fact that Gajbhagu II of Sri Lanka and Cheran Senguttuvan of the Chera dynasty were contemporaries. This is confirmed by Silapadikaram as well as Deepavans and Mahavans. Also, the Roman coins issued by Roman emperors of the 1st century AD were found in plenty in various places of Tamil Nadu. Therefore, the most probable date of Sangam literature has been fixed between the 3rd century BC and 3rd century AD on the basis of literary, archaeological, and numismatic evidences. Political history. The Tamil country was ruled by three dynasties, namely the Cheras, Chola, Pandyas, during the Sangam age. The political history of these dynasties can be traced from the literary references. Cheras. The Cheras ruled over parts of modern Kerala, Cheras, Kerala, Cholas, Andhra Pradesh, Tiruchi district, or Pandyas, Madurai. And Madurai Pandyas patronized these three Sangams, remember? Okay, Cheras. The Cheras ruled over part of the modern Kerala. Their capital was Vanji. Capital Vanji. And their important seaports were Tondi and Musiri. They had the Palmyra flowers as their garland. The Pogalur inscription of the 1st century AD refers to three generations of Chera rulers. Padirupattu also provides information on Chera kings. Perum Soru Udayan Cheralathan. Perum Soru Udayan Cheralathan. Imai Varamban Nedun Cheralathan. Imai Varamban Nedum Cheralathan. Cheran Senguttuvan were the famous rulers of the dynasty. Cheran Senguttuvan belonged to 2nd century AD. His younger brother was Elango Adigal, the author of Silapadikaram. Among his military achievements, his expedition to the Himalayas was remarkable. He defeated many North Indian monarchs. Senguttuvan introduced the Pattani cult, or the worship of Kannagi, as the ideal wife in Tamil Nadu. Elango Adigal ने जो कन्नगी की स्टोरी लिखी है सिलपतिकरम में, तो उसका जो बड़ा भाई है वो ऑब्वियसली वर्शिप ऑफ कन्नगी को तो इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा ही. The stone for making the idol of Kannagi was brought by him after his Himalayan expedition. The consecration ceremony was attended by many princes, including Gajbhagu II from Sri Lanka. So, Sri Lanka King Gajbhagu II is important here. Chola kingdom of the Sangam period extended from modern Tiruchi district to southern Andhra Pradesh. Their capital was first located at Urayur and then shifted to Pohar. सो चोलास की कैपिटल है उरयूर और फिर पोहार, और वंगी थी चेरास की, और पांड्यास की कैपिटल है मदुरई जो कि है तमिलनाडु में. द पांड्यास रूल्ड ओवर दी प्रेजेंट डे सदर्न तमिलनाडु। अच्छा, तो चोलास पे वापस आते हैं। करिकाल वॉज अ फेमस किंग ऑफ संगम चोलास। पट्टिनापल्लई पोर्ट्रेज हिज अर्ली लाइफ एंड हिज मिलिट्री कॉन्केस्ट। चोलास के बारे में पट्टिनापल्लई से मिलता है और चेरास के बारे में पडिरपट्टू से, पडिरपट्टू से चोलास, वो चेरास, और चोलास का पट्टिनापल्लई। चोलास का हुआ बैटल ऑफ वेन्नी। ही डिफीटेड द माइटी कॉन्फेडरेसी कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ चेरास, पांड्याज एंड 11 माइनर चीफटेंस। तो तीनों ही हैं इसमें और 11 माइनर चीफटेंस भी हैं, बट चोलास emerged victorious. Battle of Venni. This event is mentioned in many Sangam poems. Vahai Parandalai was another important battle fought by him, in which 9 enemy chieftains submitted before him. Vahai Parandalai battle of Vahai Parandalai. Vahai Parandalai was a battle. Karikal's military achievement made him the overlord of the whole Tamil country. Trade and commerce flourished during his reign period. He was responsible for the reclamation of forest lands and brought them under cultivation, thus adding prosperity to the people. He also built Kallanai Dam across the river Kaveri. Kallanai Dam. So Kallanai Dam is important here. Also constructed many irrigation tanks. Pandyas ruled from southern Tamil Nadu, modern southern Tamil Nadu, capital Madurai. The earliest kings of Pandyan dynasty were Nedion, Palyagasalai, Mudukodumi, Peruvaludi. Palyagasalai, Mudukodumi, Peruvaludi. और एक और है मुदथिरुमरन। हमने पहले देखा कि जो थर्ड संगम था मदुरई पे, इट वॉज फाउंडेड बाय मुदथिरुमरन. सो मुदथिरुमरन दैट किंग for the third Sangam. There were two Neduncheliyans. The first one was known as Aryapadai Kadant Neduchelian, one who won victories over the Aryan forces. तो उसने आर्यंस को हराया था, इसलिए आर्यपडई कदंत नेदुचेलियन. He was responsible for the execution of Kovalan, for which Kannagi burnt Madurai. So ये आर्यपडई ने ही कोवलन को एग्जीक्यूट कराया था. The other was Talayanganattu Cheruvenara. Talayanganattu Cheruvenara. He who won the battle at Talayanganam. Talayanganam. So, Nedunchelyan. Talayanganattu Cheruvenara Nedunchelyan. पहला था आर्यपडई कदंत नेदुचेलियन. यह है तलैयंगनट्टू चेरुवेनरा नेदुनचेलियन. He was praised by Nakkirar and Mangudi Maruthanar. Nakkirar, Mangudi, Maruthanar. Maybe they were the poets. He wore this title after defeating his enemies at the Battle of Talaiyanganam, which is located in the Tanjore district. By this victory, Nedunchelyan gained control over the entire Tamil Nadu. Madurai Kanji, written by Magudi Maruthanar, describes the socio-economic condition of the Pandya country. तो हमने देखा कि चेरास के बारे में हमें पदिरपट्टू से, चोलास के बारे में पट्टिनापलई से, और पांड्यास के बारे में मदुरई कंजी से. मदुरई कंजी को लिखा है मंगुड़ी मरुथनर ने. तभी तो नक्किरर और मगुड़ी मरुथनर, इन दोनों से हमें पांड्यास के बारे में मिलता है. तो ये दो इस टाइप के पोइट्स हो गए. Seaport of Korkai flourished during Pandyas. The last famous Pandyan king was Ugir Peruvaludi. The Pandyan rule during the Sangam age began to decline due to the invasion of Kalabhras. So Kalabhras के invasion से पांड्यन रूल डिक्लाइन होगा। माइनर चीफ्टेंस, द माइनर चीफ्टेंस प्लेड अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन द संगम पीरियड, क्योंकि हमने देखा भी बैटल के टाइम पे जो बैटल ऑफ वेन नहीं हुआ था उसमें ये तीनों तो थे, साथ में 11 माइनर चीफ्टेंस भी थे। फिर जब वहाई परंदलई ये बैटल हुआ था तो 9 एनिमी चीफ्टेंस थे। तो द माइनर चीफ्टेंस प्लेड अ सिग्निफिकेंट इन द संगम पीरियड, अमंग देम परी, करी, ओरी, नल्ली, पेगन, ए अधियमन were popular for their philanthropy and patronage of Tamil poets. Pari, Kari, Ori, Nalli, Pagan, A. Adiyaman. Therefore, they were known as Kadai Yelu Vallalagal. Kadai Yelu Vallalagal. Although they were subordinate to the Chera, Chola, and Pandya rulers, they were powerful and popular in their respective regions.